Good day everyone, my name is Simeona Galapon from Black Charlie, your future law enforcer. For today's video, I'm going to explain to my invention that will be beneficial to the society someday. So, this is Smart Cellular Live Satellite device. So, what is Smart Cellular Live Satellite that I'm talking about? So, a cellular phone-like device that can show live activities in any searchable location. Through the help of the satellite, you can view live activities in the roads, witness road accidents, criminal activities like hold-ups, road crash, and other similar happenings. From there, you can be able to see where the exact location of these events are, and you can also be able to contact the authorities for faster surveillance and entrapment of suspects, and you can also track their whereabouts, also useful faster investigation. So, a cellular light satellite service is suitable in this situation. First is disaster preparedness, perform rescue operation when signal katulad na lamang ng sa mountain, island at sea o kaya sa mga lugar na naapektuhan ng malakas na ulan at calamities. The second one is military communication. Send and receive critical mission update using a reliable and secure satellite connection. Also in business, relief operations, media travel, and many more. Cellular satellite, it is a handheld lightweight satellite phone that lets users maintain a stable and reliable signal. Even when cellular signal is compromised, it can be used for voice and SMS transaction. Kahit saan nakaka-coverage niya, such as Australia, Africa, Europe, and Middle East. Kaya madaming sakop ay ang kinaganda ng invention ko. Let's move on in key feature and the benefit of the smart cellular satellite device. The first is the standalone satellite phone. Next is easy to use or madali itong gamitin. Lastly, the high battery capacity, and it's supported by the most robust and powerful satellite network. Now, I will discuss the technical specification of my invention. First is the dimension. It has 123 times 53 times 27 mm and the weight is 180 gram. The service are satellites calls and satellites MSS. The satellite antenna is omnidirectional, while the battery life is up to 6 hours and the standby time is up to 80 hours. In addition, sa external interfaces, meron siyang UDC data cable with USB connector and earphone jack.